How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you, this is a 2020 Yamaha 212X. Pretty nice boat here. 212X. Black with yellow. White interior. It's a pretty spacious boat for a 21 foot. Super wide. First thing you see when you step in, this is a sound bar right here. It's an upgraded stereo system. That's what your dash looks like. Twin engine, 320 horsepower. It's a good way to get into a fairly inexpensive, newer surf boat. Really nice loungers in the front there. Oops. Bimini top, I have it on the floor there. And floor storage. These are removable mats on the floor. And there's your high output Yamahas twins. Really nice boat. Board racks, tower, everything you need. Thanks for watching.